Happy day students, a hearty welcome to everyone. Today we are going to see prose 2. The title of the lesson is The Queen of Boxing is written by MC Mary Kom. You might have heard about MC Mary Kom, right? Okay, before going to learn about the author, we will see the warm-up question of this lesson. After seeing the warm-up question, you will have some fair idea about the lesson. Let's see. See the warm-up questions. We use various sports equipment to play different indoor and outdoor games. So we use various sports equipment to play different indoor and outdoor games. Now associate the following sports equipment with their corresponding sports or games. Spear we can use in javelin, racket, tennis, squash, badminton, pawns, chess, puck, ice hockey, stump, cricket, bow and arrow, archery, club, golf, oar, boating, striker, carom, saber, fencing, dice, craps, baton, athletics. Okay, next question is, have you won any medals? What are the levels to be accomplished to become an international sports person? So if you have won any medals, you can mention it. So what are the levels to be accomplished to become an international sports person? To become an international sports person, one has to clear district level first. Next, we can move on to the regional and national level sports contest. Okay. What is your favorite sport? Do you play any sports? You have to mention your favorite sport. Okay. So my favorite sport is volleyball. I play volleyball. Next question is, in India, the number of women pursuing careers in sports is considerably less when compared to men. What do you think are the reasons? Okay, you have to tell me the reasons. Okay, let us discuss about the reasons first. Then we can move on to the challenges. Okay, what are the challenges faced by men and women in sports? The challenges made by sports person. Men at the society level, what are the challenges do they face? They face corruption and mismanagement of sports authorities, lack of recognition in the sports field, lack of infrastructure, lack of remuneration and job security. Okay. So women at the society level, economics problem. So they'll be underpaid in the field. In the sports field, after marriage there is a confusion, okay, whether to continue or not. Next, gender inequality, disempowerment. So these are the challenges faced by sports person. Let's see about the author MC Mary Kom. Her full name is Magneti Changnijang Mary Kom. She is a boxer and the winner of 5 World Boxing Championship and an Olympic bronze medal in 2012. She was born in Manipur. She is an Indian boxer. She is known as Mary Kom. Her nickname is Magnificent Mary. As a schoolgirl, she used to play a variety of sports, hockey, football and athletics. Inspired by Manipuri boxer Dinko Singh, who won gold at the Asian Games in 1998, Mary Kom took up boxing. She was inspired by Manipuri boxer. The name of the boxer is Dinko Singh, who won gold at the Asian Games in 1998. Mary Kom has chosen boxing. She won the first medal of silver in Pennsylvania, USA in 2001. She is the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of the 6 World Championships. So her first medal of silver in Pennsylvania, USA. And she is the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of the 6 World Championships. She was honored with the Padma Shri in 2010. Awarded. Okay, she was honored with the Padma Shri in 2010 and Padma Bhushan in 2013. For her wonderful achievements in the field of sports, she has won the highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan. Okay, Padma Bhushan. Padma Shri is the 4th civilian award. Padma Bhushan is the third civilian award, okay, for her wonderful achievements in the field of sports. And she wrote her autobiography Unbreakable in 2013. She has been ranked as number 4 AIBA World Women's Ranking Flyweight category. Let's get into the lesson. Soon after the Bangkok Championship, I was selected in the 48 kg category for the International Boxing Association. Originally, the association internationally D-Box Amateur or the IBA. World Women's Boxing Championship in Pennsylvania, USA in November to December 2001. So here I refers to the first person, okay. So this is an autobiography of MC Mary Kom, so it was referred as I here, okay. I refer to the first person, MC Mary Kom. Soon after her Bangkok Championship, so after the Bangkok Championship, Mary Kom was selected in the 48 kg category for the International Boxing Association, okay. She was selected by the International Boxing Association. Originally, it was known as Association Internationally de Box Amateur or IBA. IBA is an acronym. This was held in Pennsylvania, USA in November to December 2001. Okay, so that particular International Boxing Association was conducted a boxing championship. She was selected at which category? Women's category, okay, world level. So she was selected, and that particular boxing championship was held in Pennsylvania, USA in November to December 2001. My father managed to collect only 2,000 for her trip, okay. Mary Kom's father managed to collect only rupees 2,000 for her trip. I was both upset and very worried because I would heard of how expensive things were in America. But there was nothing my parents or I could do. I spoke to Onler, one of my friends, about my problem. He invited a few students and elders who went to meet the 2 members of parliament and seek their help. So she was very upset and worried because she had heard of things being very expensive in America. So in America, the things were very expensive, okay, very costly, as you all know. So she heard it, but there was nothing they could sow. So she spoke to one of her friends, Mr. Onler, about her problem. He immediately invited a few students and elders and asked them to meet the 2 members of the parliament seeking for help. The 2 MPs donated rupees 5,000 and 3,000 respectively, and I suddenly had rupees 10,000 in my hands. With this princely sum and a little more that had been collected from people, I left for US. The 2 MPs donated 5,000 and 3,000 each. Okay, so each one gave 5,000 and 3,000. So Mary suddenly had 10,000 in her hand. Okay, so already her father managed to collect only rupees 2,000. Her father gave her rupees 2,000 and the 2 MPs donated 5,000 and 3,000 each. So she had 10,000 in her hand. With this large sum, princely sum means large sum, and a little more that had been collected from her friends or from people, she left for US. She was relieved but had the determination that she should not come back empty-handed. After all, the efforts of the people made on her behalf. Okay, the people had made an effort. Mary Kom thought that she should not return empty-handed without winning any medal, because all the people in her place had made all efforts to send her to USA. Next paragraph. Pennsylvania was cold and beautiful. It was snowing. We were confined to the sports arena. But what little I saw was pleasing to the eye. The people were enormously nice too. It was the first time in my life that I had traveled so far. I was looking forward to seeing what America was all about. But since we were the last team to arrive, we went straight to the sporting arena from the airport. The other teams had already completed their wait-in, which is compulsory for all players. I was tired and suffering from jet lag. So what was the first impression of Mary Kom? So when she reached America, so things would be expensive in America, but the people and the climate would be nice. Pennsylvania was very cold and beautiful. It was snowing everywhere, and the people over there were enormously nice. Enormously nice here means highly nice, very nice people. The people were enormously nice too. It was the first time in my life that I had traveled so far. So it was the first time that Mary Kom had traveled so far, and she was eagerly looking forward to seeing what America was all about. But since we were the last team to arrive, so they couldn't have much glimpses of all the places. Okay, so they couldn't have time to see all the places since they were the last team to arrive. Okay, they were arrived at last. So the other teams had already completed their wait-in, which is compulsory for all the players. So they had to go straight to the sporting arena from the airport. What is meant by arena? A level area, okay, in which sports is entertaining. The place, the venue. I was tired and suffering from jet lag. So but the other teams had already finished their wait-in, so which is compulsory for all the players. Mary Kom was tired. What is meant by jet lag? Had an unpleasant feeling. Okay, jet lag means tired. One who feels tired after a long journey. Okay, a tired and unpleasant feeling of a person experiences following a long flight. Okay, following a long flight, she was very tired. It had been morning when I left, and here it was morning again. After weighing in, I found out that I did not have any match that day. I was fortunate, but some of the teammates were not so lucky. I was able to rest well enough to face my opponent in the round. So after a long flight journey through different time zones, she had left her place. It was morning, and there it was morning again. After her weighing in, she found that she did not have any match that day. On that particular day, she did not have any match. She felt that she was fortunate. She felt that she was lucky because she could take some rest. Okay, so that she could take some rest. But some of her teammates were not so lucky. She rested well enough and faced her opponent bravely. Okay, she rested well enough and faced her opponent bravely. So why did she call herself lucky? After weighing in, Mary Kom found that she did not have any match that day, and she was able to take rest, okay, to face her opponent in the round. So she called herself lucky. My fear of facing new opponents quickly disappeared. I competed in the 48 kg in this championship. While teammates lost one after the other, I went on reach the finals. I was even hopeful of winning the gold. The boxers were not unbeatable as I had earlier thought. So at this, her fear of facing new opponents disappeared. She competed. She fighted, okay, in the 48 kg championship and reached the finals. Her teammates lost one after the other. She was even hopeful of winning the gold as she felt that the boxer could be easily beaten. Okay, the boxer could be easily beaten. So Mary Kom was only one in the team to get a medal. Okay, she had been firm belief that she could take on any boxer at the championship. She felt that the event in Pennsylvania would change her life. She kept telling herself that she could face anyone in the ring. Let's see the next paragraph. I felt like this would be the place, the event that would change my life. I kept telling myself I can face anyone in the ring. In the quarter final, I defeated Nadia Hokmi of Poland by RSC. Mary Kom felt that would be the place. Pennsylvania is the place or the event that would change her life, which could change her life. I kept telling myself I can face anyone in the ring. She kept on telling herself that she could face anyone in the ring, that she has the courage to face anyone in the ring. In the quarter final, I defeated Nadia Hokmi of Poland by RSC. RSC means referee stopped contest. Applicable if the referee feels one of the boxers is inferior to the other and risks getting hurt badly. It means during the match, if one of the boxers is badly wounded, the referee has the power to stop the competitors, to stop the other contest. Do you understand? So referee has the power to announce the winner. And in the semi-final, I defeated Jamie Behel of Canada 21-9 and I reached the finals but lost to Hola Sahin of Turkey 13-5. So at last she reached the final but lost. She didn't won the game. She didn't won the match but lost to Hola Sahin of Turkey by 13-5. So the quarter-final she defeated Nadia Hokmi. In the semi-final she defeated Jamie Behel. So when she reached the final, she lost to Hola Sahin. Okay. Next paragraph. The greatest disadvantage for me was my loss of appetite. What is the meaning of appetite? A feeling of hunger. So that was the greatest disadvantage for her. I was not accustomed to the food there. What is the meaning of accustomed? Familiar. Okay. Getting used to. So she was not used to. She was not getting used to the food there. She was not accustomed to the food there. She was not familiar to the food provided in US. Try as I might, I could not eat the food. I started to lose weight. So according to Mary Kom, her loss of appetite and loss of weight was the reason for her losing in finals. Okay. So what was the reason for her losing in finals? Because her loss of weight and loss of appetite was the reason for her losing in the finals. I could not eat the food and I started to lose weight. So much so that just before the finals, I was only 46 kg. Okay, she was expected to be 48, but before the final, she was just 46. This is probably what caused me my dream of winning gold and I was very disappointed. So that was her greatest disadvantage. So it had also caused her dream of winning the gold. She was very disappointed at this. I went to my room and cried. But the coaches were kind. They consoled me and lauded me on the silver win. She went to her room and cried, but the coaches of Mary Kom were very kind. Consoled, cheered them, cheered her. And lauded. Lauded means appreciated. So they cheered and appreciated her on the silver win. She won a silver medal. So they comforted her and appreciated her for winning the silver medal. I was the only one in the team to get a medal. But the biggest thing I took away from this championship was the conviction that I could take on any boxer. So she was the only one in the team to get a medal. From the experience she gained in this championship, from the experience she gained in Pennsylvania, she acquired a firm belief. What is the meaning of conviction? A firm belief or faith that she could take on any boxer. that she could approach any boxer, that she could win on any boxer. Do you understand?